Hello creators, today let's explore CSM.ai, a cutting-edge platform that transforms text, images, and sketches into high-quality 3D models and environments. CSM.ai offers a range of pricing plans to suit different needs. Tinkerer, free plan providing 10 low-resolution 3D generations on a shared public server. Maker, $20 per month includes 100 credits for high-resolution meshes and access to premium features. Creative Pro, $60 per month, offers 400 credits, private model ownership, and API access. CSM.ai's features include generating 3D models from text prompts, images or sketches, animating objects, and integrating with game engines. The platform supports workflows like text greater than image, greater than 3D greater than environment, enabling rapid prototyping and creative exploration. Whether you're a game developer, VR/AR designer, or 3D artist, CSM.ai streamlines the creation of 3D assets, making the process more accessible and efficient. Thanks for watching. If you found this overview helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more insights into innovative tools like CSM.ai. See you next time.